Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wal aqibatu lil muttaqeen wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidil anbiya'i wal mursaleen amma ba'd fa a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim bismillahir rahmanir rahim as-salatu wassalamu alayka ya Rasulallah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Habiballah. Beloved brothers and dearest sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today our topic is the Holy Quran and the manners of reciting the Holy Quran. The Holy Quran is the last book revealed by Allah Almighty. It is the most excellent gift presented to us by Him. He has placed in it all goodness and well-being for mankind. He himself has said about the Holy Quran, "This is indeed a Quran most honorable, in a book well guarded, which none shall touch but those who are clean." The word Quran is from the root word qara'a, which means to read again and again. The Holy Quran is a divine book, and it is necessary for every Muslim to act with certain manners before reciting it. Number 1. Make wuzu before reciting. Number 2. The place where it is to be recited must be clean. Read ta'awudh and tasmiyah, means a'udhu billah and bismillah, before starting to read it. Allah Almighty says, فَإِذَا قَرَأْتَ الْقُرْآنَ فَاسْتَعِذْ بِاللَّهِ مِنَ الشَّيْطَانِ الرَّجِيمِ, means when you read the Holy Quran, seek Allah's protection from Shaitan, the rejected one. Number 4. Read it at a medium pace of avoiding wrong pronunciation. When the Quran is being recited, listen silently. Allah Almighty said, وَإِذَا قُرِئَ الْقُرْآنُ فَاسْتَمِعُوا لَهُ وَأَنصِتُوا لَعَلَّكُمْ تُرْحَمُونَ, means when the Quran is read, listen to it with attention and hold your peace that you may receive mercy. Number 6. Read the Holy Quran with qira'at. For the Holy Prophet ﷺ said, when you are reciting the Holy Quran, bring beauteous melody into your voice. Number 7. If a person is reciting the Holy Quran, do not greet him. Number 8. It is an unpleasant act to recite the Holy Quran in public places or unclean places. If azan is heard while reciting the Holy Quran, stop reciting and listen to the azan. In a workplace where people are busy, do not recite the Holy Quran in a loud voice. While reciting the Holy Quran, when the word sajda is written next to a verse, stop and prostrate. Always pray to Allah Almighty for His help and mercy when you finish reciting the Holy Quran. So these are some manners of reciting the Holy Quran. May Allah Almighty give us opportunity to recite the Holy Quran daily with its manners. Ameen. Bijahin Nabiyil Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.